Yes, good morning student. Today we start the second chapter of your chemistry book. What is the name of the chapter beta? Structure of atom. What is the name beta? Structure of atom. So first of all what we see in this chapter? Basic structure of atom. First of all what is the topic beta? First topic is basic structure of atom. Basic structure of atom. Okay, basic structure of atom में you have to see only the basic structure and which part is discovered by whom only. Rest of the portion is not under the course because of the new according to the this year according to the syllabus I taught this topic to you all. Okay, first of all what you take basic structure of atom में first of all you remember the central part of the atom is known as nucleus. The central part of the atom is known as nucleus, isn't it? Central part of atom को क्या कहते हैं? Nucleus. Surrounding circular area of the atom, surrounding area like this. This is known as the shells. इसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Shells बोलेंगे. What is this? This is nucleus. What is this? This is shell. Inside of the nucleus, which particles are present? Plus charge particle, or the some particle are present but having no charge. Okay, and what do you know about the positive charge particle? Positive charge particle के बारे में क्या पता है? The positive part charge particle inside of the nucleus is known as proton. What we say it is proton and represented by P plus. What is this? Proton. And the another particle without any charge, yani none of the charge particle is known as neutron. What we say it is a neutron and represented by N0, isn't it? The surrounding area that is known as shell where the negatively charged particle is revolving around the nucleus, घूमते रहते हैं, revolving around the nucleus. This negatively charged particle is known as electron. What we say it is electron. Negatively charged particle present in shell and positive charge particle and none of charge particle present inside of the nucleus, isn't it? Electron represented by E minus. Electron represented by E minus. So you see beta, proton and neutron always enclosed inside of the nucleus. Proton and neutron always enclosed inside of the nucleus. वो हमेशा nucleus के अंदर बंद है. So they are the stationary in nature. So they are the stationary in nature. वो अपनी जगह पर स्थिर रहते हैं. They never come out of the nucleus. They are the stationary in nature. But the electron always they are moving around the nucleus. So they are the dynamic in nature. They are the dynamic in nature. वो कभी अपनी जगह पर बैठते नहीं है. They always moving around the nucleus. So they are the dynamic in nature. This is the basic structure of atom. But one thing you remember beta, the number of proton inside of the nucleus always be ever equal with the number of electron in outside of the nucleus. Suppose here number of electron is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So number of proton 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this structure is correct because number of proton and number of electron always equal to the each other. So the normal nature of the atom is neutral. इस कारण से एटम कौन से नेचर का होता है? न्यूट्रल, आइसोलेटेड न्यूट्रल एटम. बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेचर वाइज दे आर इक्वल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. सो एट द लास्ट दे नेवर रिप्रेजेंट एनी ऑफ द चार्ज to outside. They are always showing their neutral behavior because plus and minus charges are equal in the basic structure of atom. Okay, now one more thing beta, who discovered to each and every part of the atom? How can we confirm it? Who is the scientist which gave us this kind of very much important information about the chemistry? First of all, who discovered the electron? इलेक्ट्रॉन को किसने डिस्कवर किया? तो हु डिस्कवर द इलेक्ट्रॉन? J. Thomson. नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट इज J. थॉमसन. किसने डिस्कवर किया बेटा? J. थॉमसन ने. इनका जो कैथोड रे वाला जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है, यू ऑल्सो स्टडीड इन क्लास 9th and but now in this year this is not a part of syllabus. You just remember who discovered the electron. So J. Thomson discovered the electron. Who discovered the proton? E. Goldstein. E. Goldstein discovered the proton. Who discovered the neutron? Chadwick. Who discovered the neutron? Chadwick discovered the neutron. Who discovered the nucleus? Rutherford. Rutherford discovered the nucleus. This is the Chadwick, this is the Goldstein, this is the Rutherford. And who give the information about the shell to you? Bohr. Name of the scientist is Bohr. Neil Bohr. Name of the scientist is Neil Bohr. Discover about the give about the complete information about the cell. Bohr atomic model. You also studied in class 9, class 8. Okay, beta. So this is the basic knowledge of the atom, where and which part is present in the atom. Proton and neutron inside of the nucleus, electrons surrounding the nucleus. Proton and neutron stationary in nature, electron are dynamic in nature. Number of proton equal to the number of neutrons, so the natural behavior of the atom is neutral. Who discovered the electron? J. Thomson discovered the electron. Who discovered the proton? E. Goldstein discovered the proton. Who discovered the neutron? Chadwick discovered the neutron. Who give the information about the nucleus? Rutherford give the information about the nucleus. Who convey the information about the shell? Neil Bohr convey the total information about the cell. So this is the basic structure of atom. Okay, but one more thing beta, when I talk about the atomic number, what is the atomic number of this atom? Then what is the meaning of this sentence? Atomic number means number of proton inside of the nucleus. यदि मैं atomic number बोल रही हूँ, what is the atomic number? Atomic number means number of proton inside the nucleus, isn't it? यदि atomic mass or the mass number, if I am asking, if I am saying about the mass number, it means number of proton plus number of neutron inside of the nucleus. It means atomic number and mass number both are related to the nucleus of the atom. Okay, number of proton means atomic number. Number of proton plus neutron means atomic mass. For example, nitrogen, atomic number 7, atomic mass 14. It means number of proton is 7. Number of proton is 7 and number of proton plus neutron is 14. Isn't it beta? So you have to follow this video. In the next part, I will give some more information about to it. First of all, you make it confirm and you try to learn it. Thank you.